Now we want to talk about inverses. Logs and exponents, as I mentioned, are inverses of each other. And so what that means is if they have the same base, then we will be able to cancel some things out. So let's go ahead and write ourselves a note here first. So the note I want you to write is, if the exponent base and the log base are the same, they cancel. So let me show you what that means. Here on problem number 1, I have b, some base, raised to the power of log base b of x. So again, if the exponent base, b, and the log base, log b, they have the same base b, those cancel, and I simply get an answer of x, the only thing that's left. The same thing works for natural logs. The base e and natural log, they are going to be inverses, and so they will cancel as well. So if I have an e base, and remember natural log is log with an e base, those cancel, and again, I get an x. If I have a log of a exponential function, so again, log base b, and my exponent is a base b, they have the same base of b and they cancel, and again, I get x. Finally, if I have a natural log of e raised to the x power, so the natural logarithmic base function, then again, natural log and e cancel, and I get x. Let's use that to practice some problems where we don't just have x. So in this first one, I see that I have 10 as a base, and it is raised to the log base 10 of 4 exponent. Remember that there is an implied base 10 if you don't see one. So I have a base of 10 on my exponential function. I have a base of 10 on my log. Those will cancel, and I'm left with the 4. This next one, I have 8, and then I have a log base 8 of x, base of 8 cancel, and I am left with x. Next, I have log base 7. So again, I'm looking for something that's the same. I have a log with a base 7, and I have an exponential function with a base 7. Those cancel because they are inverses, and I am left with negative 3x, just the exponent. Okay, this next one's a little different because I have log with a base 5, but then my exponent function has a base of 25. However, I could rewrite this. So I'm rewriting this as log base 5, and then 25 could be rewritten as 5 squared. And then that's to the power of x. Well, this is power of a power rule, and remember powers multiply. So this is also the same as log base 5 of 5 to the 2x power. Now I do have the same base. I have a log with a base of 5 and an exponential function with a base of 5. So then I will be left with simply a 2x. Why don't you try this last one, number 16, come back here and see how you did. All right, we're going to do this one similar to the last one. I have a log with a base of 2. The base on my exponent is a 64. So I need to think, how could I rewrite 64 as 2 raised to an exponent? And that's going to be 2 to the 6th power. So 2 times itself 6 times gives me 64. So I can rewrite as log base 2 of 2 to the 6th power raised to the x power. 6 and x can multiply because that's power of a power rule. And now I can see that I have a log base 2 and my exponential base is 2. Those cancel, and I am left with a 6x.